Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now start checking from this biggest truck first. Tank truck. A truck. Racing car, shoot racing car, number 9. Another racing car, the same number. Shoot crane, mini crane. How about this one? Transportation truck. Another transportation truck. Off-road car, red color. Mini airplane. Police car, yellow color. How about this one? Monster truck, mini monster truck. Express bus, yellow color. Everybody, let's move to another one. Super motorbike. This one is also a racing super motorbike, green color. Police car, green color. Mini airplane. Hero Spider-Man, little Hero Spider-Man. Shoot car. Four-wheel motorbike. Mini racing car, green color. Hero Captain America. Ladder truck. Sorry, bulldozer. Mini bulldozer. Mini super motorbike. Logistic truck. Mini excavator. Police super motorbike. Now check a last one. Police supercar. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.